Viewers and subs, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have Demarco at this Foota hype, and I make we know say yo a Foota hype are the reason why him this Movado in the first place. Plus we also have 1Biggs done. So channel man, if you're new to the channel, like up this review and share it up, click the bell to be notified, and also subscribe to 4K Shella Energy. You see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself and make we get right into this review.
Immortal, you know that, you owe that. I'm out blank, you see chain a gold that. Phone ring next to that.
Viewers and subs, as you can see, we are kick this review off with the one and only Big Stan. Yeah man, the entertainer made a post his IG page in which he talk about things, he talk about some people who are gatekeep and people who come around him when they want strength and leave when him need them. So we're going to touch upon that. Plus we also have Demarco side of this update. So watch man, if you reach this far, just leave a like.
Remember me, she a hug me and say she project. More have to buy my own stock, more have to own
post from 1Biggs then it says, me alone, you know, me not see a guy. So which can call my phone now. Have a S your mother, if enough for only see, want to see up, text or call my phone, but come a show. So the entertainer went on to say, and tell my fans them say, I know me in a dog, song there and some style, but a man them start with gatekeep, you see me? But 3 months now, me not do nothing, nah vice, nah do no show, nah shoot no vid, them we used to run come tell me bag a thing and I beg me strength. I can't see not one of them. But me being know as so people stay, so F it. Just the first change for 2024. Happy New Year with a prayer emoji. Viewers, if me don't read it right, you can pause the video and read it for yourself. Patois is one of the hardest language to read. But anyways, you see what I go on for 1Biggs done. And me not gonna lie, a long time I not really hear a 1Biggs done song. And you know, the entertainer come out and make you know say some people are gatekeep. You see me? And when him need them the most, them not did it. Basically, viewers are so people stay. When them need something from you, you will see them. But when you need something from them gone. You know, see them. You see me? But at the end of the day, viewers and subs, just please do let me know what you think about that. And like I said, if me don't read it right, well, please do understand with me. Patois, hard to read. You see me? So you can pause the video and read it for yourself. You see me? But anyways, we will move over to the Demarco side of this update. And like I said, just let me know what you think about that.
Obama lash out and start this all sing song for y'all, Movado. You are frustrated because I said Foota hype, tell me for this the man too. You see the boy across his. Because here we go on. Me very instrumental in enough big hit song where Movado have seen. So him would have voice pan reading where people, when build for people. And me write, all song when me write are for people where him sing. But when for me, yo, I just be a go around and be a thing. So I say, I don't understand that. You see me? So, we have a song where one rhythm where busy signal the depend where I sing wine pan the edge, pan the edge, pan the edge, wine pan the edge, pan the edge. You know that song there, right? Quint it, quint it, quint it. That's my rhythm. We the produce that. So Movado, you write a song for Movado called what you go again? What you go again? And him sing it over, him sing over the song pan, but him end up sing over the song because we write the song pan the rhythm and bring it go give him. And the dog for record pan the rhythm from way back them time there, you know, that before me all bust too, you know. Funeral bell when we squeeze off, everything I go well, don't talk. Me see the man go sing all the song, dub plate for Khalid, you know, brother. For when I fully loaded them, you know, dub plate, the man go sing the song we write game, you know. And not sing the 45 yet, you know. So me I say, we really are going here, so. No man. No man, how styling is this, man? I can't understand this. The man sing the song dub plate for Khalid, DJ Khalid, and Rick Ross dub plate with Khalid and Rick Ross, I think, and somebody else. But him not sing the 45, him not sing the original on the rhythm. Me and saw what the fuck. The ratings not there, so. Then but after my boss and about 10 years after, this man go sing the same song on Sunshine rhythm. What? So I say, yo. No man, this not right. I said, this not right, brother. So I know the big foot boy now have one rhythm, and I say, yo, I say, man, all of them style of thing, yo, shoot no man. And I say, you know, so I go shoot. And I do one song. And then I do 2 more songs. And the singer answer me. But from that, eggy them, because me and eggy them never have no problem. Me and eggy them the good, me and eggy them the alright. You see me? Eggy them come link me once in a while and beg a 1 dub and a 2 dub and I sing. And put some money in my pocket. You see me? Me and eggy them the alright. You see me? So now that go on now, eggy them start diss me. And then a whole juggling come out with, yo, and then put out a whole juggling at this markup. Me I say, blood clot, a whole juggling? Yo, blood clot, everybody this big. I say, yes, my heart. At them same time, the massacre, they start shoot off of me and them thing there. Me I say, yo, heart me heart, and I'm not answering none of them, and I'm not answering none of them. But yeah, so that thing they go on now with the Movado thing, cause yo, from ever since dog, me always, you know, me instrumental enough for the big song them will go on. You see me? The arm and the rock, and me build that. You see me? Money don't change we your money change, and me build that. This is what the gangster life is like. And me build that. Dirty gun me have up. Me write that and me build that. You see me? No, yo. Mama, even if them kill me, don't cry. And my voice I say, march out. And me and Jam 2 build that. You see me? Whole heap of song, bro. You see me? Enough of them want me head and gone, but everywhere me go, me want me head and gone. You see me? And me build that. You see me? Enough people with a dead and I burn me out all the while and I, oh, pussy, oh, you're this, and you're this, that. That means a man of this, nobody, brother. And me always come like me always the underdog, dog. Me always show respect to everybody. But everybody just give me my respect because them fear me, dog. And me talk from my heart, dog. Them fear me, bro. Because me as a you can go around the mixing board and go and record myself. I can go and mix my own song. I can build my own rhythm. I can write my own song. You see me?
So viewers and subs, what do you think about that? Yeah man, Demarco had a lot to say. And you know, him make we know a bag of things. Cause even most of these songs that Demarco listed out, me hear them before, but me never know say Demarco, they behind most of these songs are him right, most of them. If that's 100% truth from Demarco, because I know there's always 2 sides to a story. But if it's truth from Demarco, well, me never know say Demarco was the mastermind behind all these songs, because viewers and subs, these songs that Demarco listed out, yo, are big song them. Big song them. You see me? But anyways, big up on yourself, viewers and subs, and please do let me know when you think about any of the topic them on me touch upon. You see me? Yeah man, remember like up this review and share it up. Click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload every day, and subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new to over here.